What's up, Poke people? This is Chris from Brilliant Pokezilla. Today we've got a Paldean Fates opening. We've got 2 booster bundles and an ETB. Got those from Best Buy on pretty good deals there. So we'll see how this goes. Haven't really opened a lot of Paldean Fates. I know the hit rates aren't great on those, but we'll see what we can pull. Hopefully lots of shinies and maybe some full art, secret rares, anything like that. That's what we're going for. So we will take it away.
Alright, we've got our Paldean Fates booster bundles. We've got 2 of these to go through. There are 6 packs in each box. I have never actually opened these before. Not even 1 pack. So we'll see how this goes. I do know in advance that the hit rates are not great in these, but obviously we would very much like to, can't get this open, we would very much like to hit that blue Mew, any of the shinies, anything like that would be great, or the Charizard being my favorite, so we would gladly take that. Alright, so here we go. Very cool looking box. And let's make sure we've got all our packs in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we go. Greebark, Bambi, Chinchou, Camerupt, Scrafty, Swoopert, Chimichurch, Mastiff, Hollow Professor's Research, and Fire Energy. Hopefully we can't have any worse luck than what we had in our previous video. That was pretty bad with the Brilliant Stars and the Evolving Skies open. We've got YouTuber, Kami, Micah, Masha, Ultramall, Winklon, Hollow Hoppip, Whopper, Golden Goat. Nothing of note so far. Good card. We've got Paldean Student, Ultra Moss, Chinchou, Reverse Hollow. Ooh, we've got an Iron Treads EX. I guess you would consider that a small hit. We've got 3 packs left. Are all these code cards black? I guess so. Alright, let's see. We've got Numel, Maractus, Paldean Student, Lapras, Lantern, Primate, Whimsicott, Gardevoir EX. Wow! Great pull! Whoa! Very pretty card. Very pretty. That will do it for a sleeve. Oh, we've got 2 of these here. Slap one of these back. Well then. Very cool. Alright, 2 packs left. Alright, we've got a Wooper Executing Mankey, Flittle, Moonlit Hill, Charmeleon, Paldean Student Reverse Hollow. We've got a Full Art Judge, Trainer card. Let's go. This has not been a terrible opening for 6 packs. Don't know the value on that one, so we'll go ahead and sleeve it because it sure does look pretty. And last pack, let's see what we get. Code card upside down. And we have got Scraggy, Lime Jr., Mischief, Gimmickoo, Scraggy, Curlia, Gengar, Hollow Doduo. Is that a shiny? That is a shiny Doduo. Yes! Alright, and we've got Gengar, Raichu, and Basic Energy. Alright, shiny Doduo. There we go. Alright, so out of those first 3 packs, we've got a shiny Doduo, Gardevoir EX, Judge, and Iron Treads EX. Very, very good first opening. Nice showing from Paldean Fates. Alright, so here is booster bundle number 2. We did have a little bit of a camera upgrade in the middle of the video there, so hopefully the image is a little bit clearer. We will test this out. So we've got 6 more packs here. I think it's already looking much better than our previous camera, so we'll roll with that from here on out. So here we go, 6 packs. And then I did decide to go with the ETB, so we will open that as well. You guys could do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below what your favorite ETB to open is. Alright, so we've got Nimona, Nitu, Company, Rare Candy, Technical Machine, Dash, Nimona's Backpack, Reverse Hollow, Paldean Student, Annihilate, and Armorage. Code card. Alright, this is our second pack out of this booster bundle. We'll start off with the code card. Waiting on that autofocus to kick in there. It's a little jumpy on the new camera. Alright, we've got Pikachu, another Paldean Student, Fido, Hunter, Clyde, one's got Scrappy, Reverse Hollow Moonlit Hill, another Reverse Hollow Pikachu, and like nothing to speak of so far out of this second booster bundle. So far the first one is winning. We've got 4 packs left. And here we go again, code card, let that focus for a second, and away we go. Nimona, Rare Candy, Nitu, Oinkalong, Camerupt, Moonlit Hill. We've got a small shiny Pelipper, and then another Reverse Hollow Pikachu, Cyclizar. Alright, so there's our
third shiny out of this opening. 3 packs left. Hopefully we can get something more than just some shinies, but we will see. Now that code card is really not coming into focus there for a second, is it? Alright, Charmander, same card, Nimona, an A2, Machine, Grapple Locked, Nimona's Backpack, Grapple Locked again, Mimikyu, Reverse Hollow, Zatu, Holographic. Alright. So this second set of cards has not gone very well here. Hopefully we can do a little bit better with that ETB. Alright. Good card. Sorry guys, I don't know why that's not focusing very well. New camera autofocus is not ideal. Oh, I do see something in the back there. This could be exciting. There's a lot of silver border on that card. I am not familiar with the set, so I do not know what that is without looking at it. Moshold, Oinkalon, Fanpy, just an Espathra EX. That is a cool looking Terra card there. Not sure what that's worth, but it does look pretty neat. Add it to the hit pile. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we've got. Alright, blurry code card here again. Hopefully you guys can read this. It's going to take a second to focus. There we go. And let's see what we can get. Looks like another pack full of shinies. Cottony, Panico, Numel, Kilowattrel, Nestball, Lantern. We've got a small shiny Sableye. Add that to the pile. We've got a reverse hollow Gimmighoul and a hollow Professor's Research. Alright. So next up we'll open up that ATB and see what we get out of that. So far nothing too crazy out of the 2 booster bundles, but we'll see if the ETB can help us out a little bit. Alright, so now we've got our Paldean Fates ETB. I think we hopefully got our autofocus and camera issues out of the way here. We are going to make a small tiny adjustment. And so we'll go ahead and unbox this thing and see if we can improve on our shinies here. So we'll open that up, get rid of that nonsense. Energy cards, we've got the Mimikyu promo, very cool looking card there. Good card. We've got our packs. Alright, and away we go. So we've got 9 more packs of Paldean Fates. Let's see what we can do here. Alright. So we've got Little, Pikachu, again, Greavard, Fanpy, Technical Machine, Grapple, Ramona's Paldean Student Reverse Hollow, Palafin on the full art. We will take that. Alrighty then. That is how you want to start off your ETB. No idea what it's worth, but that is a very cool looking card. See if we can get it in on the focus there. Still a little bit out of focus. We'll clean that up on the next one. That will play, folks. So we are recording this on Saturday. Hope you guys are having a happy Saturday. think I may take my daughter up to Carowinds a little bit later for the Brantley Gilbert concert. Here's that code card everybody's looking for. Did focus a little bit better that time. All right, great start. All right, we will start you guys off with a code card this time. A little bit easier to read. And away we go. We've got Lechonk, Charcadet, Clobopus, Varoom, Atticus, Mashode, Iono, Reverse Hollow Pikachu, Graplocked, and Clive, 227,091 on the Full Art Trainer. Another good hit there. So far, this ETB has not disappointed. 2 for 2. There we go. Clive. All right, add those to the book pile, and away we go with pack number 3. All right, started off right with that code card. Get ready to get over there. We've got Chinchou, Vroom, Charmander, Kilowattra, Nest Ball, Lantern, Dryfoon on the Baby Shiny, Mimikyu Reverse Hollow, a Goldingo. Not too bad. Set that off to the side. Pack number 4. We've got 5 left. Hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. By the time you see this video, it may actually be the next weekend. We've got Frigibax, Mastiff, Ralts, Magmar, Camerupt, Electric Generator, Charmander, Oinkalone, Fampi, Mimikyu, and nothing out of that one. Couldn't keep that run going on forever, but it is what it is. All right, we've got Nemona, Natu, Rare Candy, Cottony, Oinkalone, Clive, Primeape, Gimmickle, Reverse Hollow, and we've got a Squawkabilly EX. I think we might have pulled one of those out of the first pack. All right, 4 packs left. Here we go. See if we can get some of the big dogs out of these packs here. All right, code card. And away we go. We've got Fido, Haunter, Mime Jr. I do see some kind of silver back there. We've got a $1 Baby Shiny. Reverse Hollow, Professor's Research on the Hollow, and okay, 3 packs left. And again, if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button for me here, that would very much help me out. See if we can pick up a few more subscribers, keep this channel growing and going. As always, you guys will get your code cards here. There we go. And we've got Mime Jr., Mastiff, Barboach, Lechonk, Moonlit Hill, Donphan, Atticus, Reverse Hollow Zatu again, Scraggy Reverse Hollow, and a Houndstone. Set those over there. 2 packs left. Let's see what we can do. All right. Let's see here. Black code card. And we've got a Cloudless Varum, Mankey, Magmar, Grapplot again, Nemona's Backpack, Kilowattrel, and we've got a shiny Palmy. Nothing stuck behind there. And then we've got Reverse Hollow Cloudless and the Hollow Mappist. Last pack. Let's see what we can do. All right, we've got Execute, Ghastly, Frost, Toad School, Mousehold, Iono, Camerupt, Reverse Hollow, Numel, and a 2 Reverse Hollow again, and another Xatu. We've probably got about 4 or 5 of those just out of these 2 packs. All right, and there's our Reverse Hollow. Reverse Hollow, our code card. Okay, so that was our ETB. We've got a few shinies and Squawkabilly EX. And we also got Clive. Oops, that came out of the first few packs. We got Clive, and we got the Full Art Paldean. All right, looks like we didn't do too bad there. We're actually going to check on that Paldean and see what we got. There's no way that's right. Okay, well, that Paldean's coming at 45 cents for a full art card. That's kind of interesting there. And then we've also got Clive, 227 out of Paldean Fates at a whopping 36 cents. So I guess we did do pretty bad there, even though those are some cool looking cards. Let's see what we've got on the Palmy. Shiny, we've got a $1.95, and then Dolive. At a $1.58, and we've got Squawkabilly EX 0.75 at a whopping 42 cents, and we've got Drifloon. Oh, Drifloon is a $9 card. All right. So there we go. Glad we went through those. We've got $9 on this one here. So that helps us out. Kind of surprised. I guess I haven't really looked over these too much, but we'll go ahead and sleeve this one. All right. Anyways, hope you guys have a happy Saturday. So yeah, nice and sunny here in North Carolina. We'll have to see what we can get out for the next video. Think about sending some of these out here to some of these cards up here to get graded. I think I've got a nice 10 in the Zapdos and the Arceus, Giratina, and the Charizard. Mewtwo's a little bit off center, but I could maybe still get a 10 because it's definitely mint. So might see if we can get those sent off here in the next couple weeks. But we will see what we can do on the next video. You guys have a good one. This has been Chris with Brilliant Pokizilla.